Gra Graphing the x and y intercepts. Here we have an equation, 2x plus 3y equals 6, and we have the graph of a coordinate plane. First, I'd like to explain a little about what the intercepts are. The x-intercept is the point at which the line crosses the x-axis, and the y-intercept is the point at which the line crosses the y-axis. So we want to find the intercepts for the x and the y. To find the x-intercept, we put 0 in place of y, and we solve the equation to find x. And in the y-intercept, we put 0 in for x, and then we solve the equation to find y. First, let's find the x-intercept. So we want to put 0 in place of y. We know that 0 times any number is 0, so this just makes the term that contains y disappear. So we want to finish solving our equation for x. When we solve our equation, we find that x equals 3, and we already know that y is 0. Now we have the coordinates of our x-intercept, 3, 0. So next we want to plot this point on the graph. As you can see, we started at our origin and went right to 3, and then we didn't go up or down, and this point is where the line will cross the x-axis. Next we want to find our y-intercept, so we're going to put 0 in place of x. We know that any number times 0 is 0, so this makes our x term disappear, and we're left with 3y equals 6. Now we want to finish solving our equation for y. We finish solving our equation and we find that y equals 2, but we already know that our x is 0, so this will give us the coordinates of our y-intercept. We find that our y-intercept is 0, 2, so now we're ready to plot this point on the graph. We go to the origin 0, 0, and we don't go left or right on x, but we go straight up the 2 on the y-axis, and we make a point here. And we know that the line will cross the y-axis here. So now we're ready to draw our line. There you have it. Our line is drawn through the x-intercept and the y-intercept. So when graphing using the x and y-intercepts, to find the x, let the y equal 0 and solve the equation for x. To find the y-intercept, let the x equal 0 and solve the equation for y.